It's a regular day where getting late is not an option, because the manager's angry face is the last thing you want to see. And you think you can make it on time. But have you ever had your morning ruined by a flat tire? When you're running late, a flat tire is the last thing you need. Introducing Seal-O-Tyre Travel Safe Pro Kit, your tire car doctor. Seal-O-Tyre prevents unexpected delays by sealing punctures instantly, ensuring a smooth start to your day. It's a gel-based formula which keeps your tire safe and provides seamless mobility. After filling the sealant, you just have to drive your car at 50 km/h for 5 minutes so that the gel applied properly inside the tire. After that, stop the vehicle, check the air pressure of the tire and fill it using an inflator if required. Seal-O-Tyre, keeping you on the move no matter what. Visit sealotyre.com to learn more.